What's up, guys? This is We Cut Grass here again. Today, a video will be about density and multiple bookings and how they can be your best friend and how to take advantage of all the situations that you can as a single operator and a newbie. You know, a lot of times people ask me, or you may see single operators say they do 8, 9 a day, and you wonder, well, how are they able to accomplish this thing, just by a single operator out there every day? It's because of density, being able to book multiple appointments near each other and not have to have most of your day, involved with travel time or going across town, dealing with traffic or whatever the case may be. Right now, I say it's about 9:15. We have a couple properties lined up. I have 3 properties lined up in one neighborhood, and we're gonna show you guys exactly how we accomplish handling 3 appointments in one neighborhood and how it's to your advantage to have them booked like that. I always want to book your appointments close to each other on the same day and not to waste your time traveling across town. So density is very important to your bottom line, to your production of day, and your time management. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up? I just wanted to make a quick video real quick of, a lot of times you ask customers and you ask other lawn techs, how you feel about cutting grass in wet conditions. You see the clumping. I mean, this lawn is still saturated. We got wet yesterday and it still had a whole day to dry and it's still saturated. Keep in mind it's still early morning, but it's still clumping and gonna make us have to double bag or actually have to make a multiple passes because of the actual grass not being able to actually mulch or blend into the other grass. So, more time, usually I charge customers for that. What's your thoughts on that? Get back to me. All right, guys, done with my first appointment. It's 9:49. That's the backyard. I used a blower to actually clean up the clumping and kind of blend it in so I didn't have to do a lot of extra work. Let's check out the front. I know a lot of times people bag it or they may do a double pass, but I actually charge for, additional services like that, because at that point the grass is either overgrown or, you're asking me to push the limitations of my service, which, you're risking your equipment or whatnot, because cutting in that thick grass, especially if you have a belt driven machine, you're risking the belts. And I know those belts can be $80, $90 a pop. So, I have a direct drive, so I'm not risking, a major belt cutting wet grass, but it's still risking the quality. All right, headed to my next one. See you guys there. All right, guys, welcome back. This is my second house for the day. Went a couple blocks. It's 9:54. I left you guys at 9:49. This is our next one. All of these service calls are front and back, full service, which includes cutting, trimming, edging, and cleanup. This is our bigger one. These yards may be a little bit overgrown, but I have her on contract, so any overages like that they may occur because they're on a monthly prepaid, that I waive those fees. Now, if they were on a single call, then I would actually charge them an overgrown fee. That's the risk you take and the benefits of having monthly service. All right, let's get at it. What's up, guys? Just talking about wet grass this morning, and you see this lawn was extremely overgrown and just real clumpy. So I'm definitely gonna have to bag this one. So I set it up and I'm finna go ahead and pass and show you guys how I definitely bag these type of yards. let's take a look at the actual service. Now this one we actually had to bag. Yeah, look at those stripes. She's looking nice and clean and healthy. Yeah. All right, let's go check out the front. Now, a lot of people ask questions about, what is density, and, how do you, promote that type of situation at your company. The biggest thing is, let's say you're going to do a single call from a new customer. Check out that yard. Go do that single call, gain that new customer. But when it's time to finish that call, you need to have a couple flyers on hand and, hit the next couple houses, the block, and actually try to promote the fact that you are in the area and you are, you have service a lawn nearby if they want to, look for references or whatnot. Nice lines, nice and clean. Or, that new customer, you can offer a promotion where, you tell them that they might get a discount if they were to get someone to actually double up with them on a call. Maybe be a friend, a neighbor, a family member, whoever, to double up on that call, so that way they can gain a discount and you can actually get that density up. Instead of you going to do that one call, now you're doing 2 calls. That discount, you'll make that up in the long run, especially if you gain a customer for the whole season. That's why I preach to you guys, quality is the key to your success in this type of industry. All right, we're headed to the next call. What's up, guys? We're back again in our third one. This is our last triplet in this density video that we're gonna show today. Today we have a small front yard, not too big on this last house. But we do have a back piece behind the actual gate that we have to actually cut. So, this one will be pretty quick, but we still have to relocate behind this fence here and cut this area behind the fence. The client likes to keep the area cleared from weeds or whatnot. You can take a look. Yeah, we lost some time on that last one because we had to bag it because it was a little overgrown. I don't think I'm gonna have to bag this one. So we should be able to pick up some time. But like I say, quality is the key to, your service, period. Because you want to make sure that you give high quality, so that way it over trumps the actual, whether you're a small company or you don't have a lot of equipment, because clients do look at that. So if your quality is good and you're able to keep it consistent, it's just like a good hairdresser or a good chef. You're gonna have a die-hard customer. Let's get it. All right, guys, welcome back. This is the last call of our triplet density video this morning, showing you guys how important having multiple calls in the same area is important. Some people refer to it as density. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Leave a comment. Tell me, guys, how you guys do your multiple calls and how you promote it and how crucial it is to your company. If so, newbies, keep strong. It'll get better. One love. All right, this is the back part of that last house that we were just servicing. It's 11:23. All right, let's knock it out. All right, guys, we've completed our triplet today in the same neighborhood. Trying to show you guys how important density is. We started today at 9:17. It's 11:29, so a little bit under 2 hours to handle 3 properties, which I usually schedule each property for about an hour per service call. So I saved myself some time. I got ahead of my schedule today, so I definitely can take advantage of that situation. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys want to hear about, what type of issues that you have as a new tech or a new owner, or even the pros. What are you guys having issues with? What problems are you guys having? Leave a comment and I'll get back to you with my opinion and what do we do to overcome those type of problems. Appreciate you. We cut grass. One love.